1. Using it as a beam. If the house has a vintage feel, the ladder can be hung almost anywhere and looks great. Use a wooden ladder as a fake ceiling beam. Previously, it was used to better define the two spaces. If the ceiling is high enough, consider hanging a ladder at the same large doorway. 2. Transform it into a shelving unit. The first step to recreating this look is to make the shelves, which is a relatively easy process. This project was made by adhering pine planks to the cross beams of an open ladder, using L brackets. If you're having trouble finding a ladder like this one, you can make your own using 2x2 boards. 3. Hang wire baskets from ladder rungs, for extra bathroom storage. By adding wire baskets to a leaning ladder, the potential storage space is multiplied. Use this idea in a bathroom, to store toiletries as you see here. Also, this project can easily be incorporated into a kitchen or pantry for fresh produce. 4. Hang industrial lighting from a vintage ladder. One common way people decorate with wooden ladders is to chain them to the ceiling horizontally. If adhered to the ceiling correctly, the ladder should be able to support enough weight to store things on top. If you want more design and less function, use the ladder as an accent for light fixtures over the dining table. 5. Adhere some family photos using twine. If the ladder is thin, stick to simple and lightweight items, like antique photographs in varying sizes like you see here. Some people hang painted ladders on the wall, and leave the interior completely empty. Since ladders like this are long and narrow, this application would work well over a sofa. 6. Create a library, by adding casters to a wooden ladder. You don't need an entire room to have a library in your home. All you need is one wall of built-ins, which can quickly turn into something of a showpiece by incorporating a vintage ladder that's been tweaked. To get this look, purchase a library ladder kit to convert an old ladder into something much more prestigious. 7. Utilize a vintage step ladder as a plant stand. Small step ladders work well as nightstands or end tables, but they also make quirky plant stands. To keep your plant stand looking like a designer's, incorporate plants of varying heights and sizes. If houseplants aren't an option, create other small vignettes using decor from around your home. 8. Create an open concept closet. There are so many smart clothing storage ideas when closet space is lacking, and this is one of the more creative ones. This ladder project is a variation of the shelving unit seen above, only it uses two individual ladders instead of one that is connected. 9. Drape vintage linens in the dining room. Blanket ladders are popping up in so many homes, likely because this is the easiest ladder decor project to implement. All you need to do is find an old ladder, lean it up against the wall, then choose which items you want to hang on it. 10. Hang a wreath on a leaning ladder. Just about anything can be hung from a ladder using twine, but how and what is used makes all the difference. This look is completed using a faux boxwood wreath works, alternating mason jars, and a framed quote. When the seasons change out the greeting, and add something more festive, like string lights, to the mix. 11. Repurpose a ladder into a desk. The best ladder projects are when the piece is completely transformed into something new. This ingenious DIY utilizes two old ladders to create a one-of-a-kind writing desk that is now something of a conversation piece.